Do you ever study English but still feel stuck when speaking? Maybe you know grammar rules, but real conversations still feel difficult. Today, I'll show you how to learn English through real, everyday conversations. We'll listen, repeat, and practice step by step so you can sound natural fast. Stay until the end because I'll give you 3 tips that native speakers use every day. Let's start with a simple conversation. Hi, can I get a coffee, please? Sure. Do you want it hot or iced? Hot, please. And could you add some milk? Of course. Anything else? No, that's all. How much is it? It's $3.50. Notice, can I get is polite. Hot or iced shows options, and please, of course, anything else makes you sound natural. Repeat after me. Can I get a coffee, please? Anything else? It's $3.50. From this dialogue we learn. Can I get? Very common request. Could you add? Polite ask. That's all. To finish order. How much is it? Basic question. Practice these 4 sentences today. You'll use them everywhere. Pronunciation. Natives connect sounds. Can I get? Can I get? That's all. That's all. Try repeating fast like music. It makes you sound smoother. Now, imagine this role play. You. Hi, can I get a tea, please? Barista. Sure. Small or large? You. Large, please. Could you add lemon? Barista. Of course. Anything else? You. No, that's all. How much is it? Barista. It's $2. Write your version in the comments. Change the drink, size, or price. This is real practice. 3 extra tips. Listen daily to real conversations, movies, YouTube, podcasts. Repeat out loud. Use 1 new phrase daily with real people. Now you know how to learn English through real conversations. Grammar is important, but conversations make you sound alive. Start small, repeat daily, and you'll progress fast. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to English XPR. Like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget, write your own cafe conversation in the comments. I'll reply to the first ones.